Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your old TikTok account if you no longer have access to your phone number or email. First, open the TikTok app. Go to the login screen and tap the question mark or the help option. Next, choose Recover Account. Enter your username or the email address that was previously linked to your account if you remember it. TikTok may try to send a verification code. If you no longer have access to your phone number or email, tap Can't Access These to continue. After that, select Request Support or Submit a Ticket. Choose Account Access as the topic and Login Issues as the category. Now, fill out the support form with as much information as possible, such as your username, the email or phone number previously linked to the account, and a detailed explanation of your issue. Once you've completed the form, submit your request. TikTok support will review your case and contact you through the email address you provide in the support form if they need more information or if they're able to help recover your account. And that's it. That's how you can request to recover your old TikTok account without access to your phone number or email. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.